and shit.
On today's episode of How Cut is Cut.
It's a whole ass tub, bro.
Whoa. Let me see it.
I got an idea. Take it out.
So, explain to us what the hell you're doing.
I am
Cutting.
learning how to put a body kit on by myself.
Yeah, but tell them what the hell you're doing. So you're cutting some wheel well. So he's taking out some material to fit with the body kit he bought.
Yeah.
So I can finish the body work. Because like I was saying, how many episodes ago? Like 5 episodes ago, I'm not doing the body work until the cutting and welding and shit is done. So if I would have finished it, I guess I could have done the top stuff. But anyways, you guys see what I'm talking about.
Guess I gotta cut some.
Today's tools. Alright.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I mean,
He said me neither. Ow!
what?
Fuck, you got a Q-tip, bro?
Q-tip?
Bro. Give me a Q-tip. Look.
Little visual inspection of what he's doing.
Shit.
We have not a fucking clue.
Oh, really?
Because I don't think he has a clue. That's probably one of the straightest wheel well cuts I've ever seen in my entire life.
Alright.
This is for some aerodynamic
You're a dick.
some aerodynamic airflow. It releases the air from the wheels. And it helps the brakes get cool. Arm guards. Some Michelin man looking ass. Anyways, enough screwing around, man. Let's get to it. Yeah, you're cutting a lot of stuff off this car. So the body kit has these little dowel things. I don't know. We have ourselves 15-minute update. Nothing else got done, but some struggling. Let's show you guys. So you got to put back on the side skirt to line up pretty much wherever the hell the fender is. To line up, where the hell is the damn fender? All right, fender flare, not fender. So he's lining up this piece, right? Something like that. I don't really know how this kit goes on. I personally don't like body kits. It's too much damn work. Note to self for anybody who puts a body kit on it. Make that shit on your car or don't fucking buy one.
What did James say? Don't. Make your own.
I don't give a shit how much money you think you're gonna spend on a body kit. I don't care who built it. If it wasn't built to your car, it's not gonna work.
Yeah.
Or it's gonna need a lot of adjustment.
Anyways,
Bro, did you make your own holes?
this the update. Ladies and gentlemen, day 2. Same side. Same fender flare.
Same spot.
Haven't done shit. No. We're being serious. We haven't done shit. Day 2. What have you done?
Nothing.
You did something. Looks like you cut
I cut.
a lot.
I cut it all off.
Cut a lot.
I didn't do anything.
To get that fender flare, show us. To fit.
I highly recommend nobody
Buy this
going
goddamn kit.
Dirty Flex kit.
Yeah.
That's personal opinion though.
No, it's
No,
not.
it's
It
not.
sucks. It absolutely sucks. It's a
So this
terrible
kit's
kit.
giving us a hell of a time, guys. Anyways, we're getting it to work, all right?
Tutorial, huh?
The next, this ain't no goddamn tutorial. This is
man.
a don't buy a tutorial.
Dirty Flex needs to come out with a tutorial.
No, they won't though.
Yeah, because they know what the fuck's going on.
They won't
But
come out with
front's
they
on.
won't come out with an installation
Needs a little
video
hole
they can't
patch because there was a
install
misdrill.
without destroying a car.
Side skirts on. Might have to trim the door card. But yeah, this thing freaking fits now that he had trimmed the shit out of the wheel well and made a slit or whatever, but screw it. It fits. Self-tap it, seam seal it, expansion foam it, whatever the hell you do with it. And then I can finish this body work.
That's as good as it's going to get.
That's as good as it's gonna get.
Yeah, no, that's as good as it's gonna get.
Still need a cup.
Perfect.
I don't care. You have to put that on.
This fucking guy.
The fuck are you doing?
On today's episode of How Long Does It Take and How Many People Does It Take to put on one fender flare. Alright, that's enough talking shit. What's up, you guys? Day 3. Just checking in. Going to give you guys a brief summary of what I got done today. I'm getting kind of tired of those bodywork videos, so I figure since there's so much bodywork, I might as well just kind of jump through it and let you guys know what I did. It's kind of boring just watching me sand, you know. Probably boring as hell listening to me talk, but I'd rather inform you guys what we've done than not at all. So let's get to it. The truck, the 190T. I finally did some body work, as I mentioned, like a minute ago. Ready? Bam! Now, don't pay attention to my crazy, terrible rattle can paint job, but it's officially one frickin' panel. There's no more Bondo bullcrap. Sanded it all down, made it all flush. It's maybe about, maybe that much Bondo. Just had a little bit of warpage when I welded it in with that piece of angled iron. So that's good. Back panel's in. It's still kind of wet. You can kind of see that glossiness. And you can see I was spraying it up and down. That's what all these streaks are. But I got that done. As for these, they got this fender flare in. And I don't know if you guys saw that when they were cut. This is a seam sealer. It's on there, gooped on there, kind of a little extra. But that's alright. Seam sealed in, so it's not going to get any water in it. This kind of just needs to get pushed that way a little bit more. Not sure how they're planning on doing that. I think they're going to pull this corner out a little bit, which is going to kind of push it in. And once that's like that, I'm going to start banging this bodywork out, which, as you guys know, looks like a lot, but it's, again, it's really not. Just trying to smoothen it out where I welded the that door handle, just like that one. That's not here. And the gas cap. Guess I could sand this first half where this body line is, and then I'll touch that bottom half when they're done with the fender flares. I could probably do that right now. I could probably do it right now. And I guess I'll get to this 190T and do a little bit more sanding. Alright, yeah. You guys will probably see me again when that is done. Okay? So, I'm gonna get to it. Later. And we're back at it. So, day 4. Let me show you what we got finished, alright? Hell to the yeah. That's right. Officially got some of this damn body work done. The tailgate is done. This side, what would this be? Quarter panel is done. It looks like there's a bump right here, and there kind of is from one of the welds when we welded that angled iron in, or that, yeah, angled iron. But that's all right. We're not going to be able to see this because all this, where this body line's at, and everything in the bed is going to get rhino lined. But you can see this piece is temporarily getting held up. That's just seam sealer that needs to be painted, so you're not going to see that. But this side's freaking done. Let me know what you guys think. And of course I didn't just do the one side. I finished this side as well. And don't pay attention to the little bit of tape right there, alright? Again, it's temporarily being held up. But god damn, guys. Officially got the bodywork done. And the guys last night were freaking cranking it out. They put all of the sidewalls in, except for the back wall, because we still need to figure out the taillights and stuff and the wiring for that. But all of these sidewalls and the flooring, okay, is officially in. It's seam sealed. The seam sealer, you can see a little caulking gun and self-tappers, but the seam sealer just needs to dry. And then I think tonight they're actually going to be rhino lining some of this stuff to finish this damn project. Woo! As for the bodywork, this stuff's looking nice. And then of course it's put the fuel cell back in, make a bracket, mount it. The lines are right there. And you guys already know we're leaving this hole for after we get the car running with the electrical, getting that all perfect. Then we need to start on that twin turbo setup. That's right, rear mount twin turbos. But my day 4 update. It's just freaking beautiful. And, you know, my paint job sucks, but it's a freaking truck, guys. Or as some of you like to say, it's a freaking ute. A freaking ute. So truck days, ute days, we're coming at you soon. Get ready. Damn. I don't know if you guys are getting as excited as we are actually seeing this project come together. We're getting close to finishing it. I mean, all the bodywork is pretty much done. Just a couple of little touch-ups here and there. We need to prime the truck. Obviously the rhino liner, but the window's in. We still need to make some seats and some seat brackets, but that's like, you know, that's a little bit more tedious, but easy work, man. That's freaking easy work. That's like almost the finishing touches now that the body's pretty much put together. I can't freaking wait to see this going down the road and everyone's gonna be like, what the hell is that? And be like, that's our freaking 190T, bro. That's our little ute. That's right, a freaking ute. But yeah, alright. I'm excited. I know some of you guys are getting excited. I keep getting messages and everything about seeing the progress and the progression of everything. It's just, man, it's amazing to bring you guys along with this. I appreciate everyone's I can't even talk. I appreciate everyone's support and just sticking along with this project. We have another project after this one that I'm slowly getting everything for. Man, I can't wait to start that one. But that's besides the point. 190T. This our update. Beard update. It's official. I'm gonna end this video here. Later.